Hello and welcome to this video. I'm Marcus Hayes and today you join me from my kitchen. The reason I'm in here is because the lighting in my living room is terrible, but it's time to find out who has won the raffle to win one of these super cool Mk1 Escort RC cars along with a controller, 2 batteries and a charger. If the winner is overseas, I might not be able to post the batteries though, as I explained when I launched this raffle. But the winner is also going to receive their choice of the range of hats that I've got on my website, a pack of my air fresheners, a genuine carbon fibre keyring and all these stickers and decals. I want to take this opportunity to send a massive thanks out to everyone who jumped on the raffle. Also, massive thanks again to Peter Smith from the CW-01 Creations YouTube channel, who very kindly built both of these Mk1 Escort RC cars. Now, I've actually decided that we're also going to have 3 runners-up that are all going to receive a pack of my air fresheners and a whole load of stickers and decals. Now, I've decided to do this raffle the old-fashioned way, so I spent absolutely hours typing up all the raffle tickets and then cutting them out and folding them up and putting them in that bowl. I basically typed up people's order numbers from when they purchased the tickets on my website. Those of you that ordered more than 1 ticket, you know, I've basically duplicated those order numbers, and as I promised when I launched the raffle, everyone who's on my Patreon has automatically got 2 entries. So there's tickets in there with people's names on, and they are the Patreon entries. I've got my MacBook over here with all the order numbers loaded up. So if the winning tickets are, you know, order numbers, I can straight away have a look who is the actual winner. Now, I've decided to let my beautiful girlfriend Kat draw the winner. Right, so in your own time, pick a winner first.
Okay, so this is
first prize, yeah.
First prize. First prize is number 2145.
2145. So we'll have a look over here at the order numbers. 2145 is Oscar. So congratulations to you, Oscar. I will be getting in touch with you using the email address or phone number that you used when you purchased your raffle ticket. And yeah, you just need to let me know which one of these RC cars you would like and which one of the Marcus Hayes caps you would like. And you're obviously going to receive all these goodies as well. So now we need to pick 3 runners up to receive the air fresheners and sticker packs.
Okay. Runner up. Oh gosh. Pressure. Order number 2089.
2089. I think we'll have to go on to the next page for that. Oh. Yeah. 2089. Oh. Scroll. 2089 is Tony Baker. 2089. Tony Baker. Congratulations to you. You're going to get some air fresheners and stickers. All right, 2 more.
Two, 2155.
2155. I think I'll have to go back to the other page now.
Oh, that's 2115.
No,
Scroll down.
Yeah. 2155 is my friend Gary Ball. 2155 Gary Ball. And Gary Ball is the guy that supplied all the carbon fibre that I've got on my Escort. So yeah, congratulations to you, Gary. Your stickers and air fresheners will be in the post very soon. Right, one more runner-up.
Dun, dun, dun. 2175.
2175. Scroll up. And 2175 was actually the last one to be purchased 8 minutes before the raffle closed, and that is Nick Whitney. So congratulations to you, Nick Whitney. Your stickers and air fresheners will be in the post very soon. So there you go. Oscar is the winner of one of these super cool RC Escorts and all of this merchandise, and we've got 3 runners up that are gonna receive this lot. So again, I want to send a massive thanks out to everyone who jumped on the raffle. Massive thanks again to Peter Smith for building the RC Escorts. But yeah, that's the end of this video. The next video is going to be me messing about with Esther, my Mk1 Escort. But yeah, I'm staying super productive in general with the cars. So plenty more content inbound. And who knows, maybe I'll do some more raffles in the future as well.